How to turn off secure storage on Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to turn off secure storage in Messenger but don't know how to do it? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to turn off secure storage on Messenger. Open Messenger on a device. You will land on the chat section. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Scroll down a bit. Under Preferences, select Privacy and Safety. Under Security, select End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Tap on Message Storage. Under Manage Secure Storage section, you will see the option to turn off secure storage. Tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Keep in mind that once you turn off secure storage, you won't be able to restore your end-to-end encrypted chat history if you replace devices. Also, end-to-end encrypted chats won't be stored remotely in Messenger servers. They will only be saved on your device, and there's a high chance of losing your Messenger data if you lost access to your device. If you are sure about that, tap Continue. And boom, you have successfully turned off secure storage on Messenger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.